Pros and cons of natural stone flooring. What you need to know. Dear friends, are you considering natural stone flooring for your home or business? This video is here to help you make an informed decision. Natural stone flooring is known for its timeless beauty and durability, but like any flooring material, it comes with its own set of pros and cons. Advantages of natural stone flooring. 1. Timeless elegance. Natural stone flooring exudes elegance and sophistication. Whether you choose marble, granite, limestone, or slate, you can achieve a unique and luxurious look that never goes out of style. 2. Durability. Natural stone is incredibly durable and can withstand heavy foot traffic and wear and tear. With proper maintenance, it can last for generations, making it a wise long-term investment. 3. Natural variation. Each natural stone tile is unique, featuring distinct patterns and colors in natural forms. This adds character and visual interest to your flooring, making it one of a kind. 4. Easy maintenance. Natural stone flooring is relatively easy to clean and maintain. Regular sweeping and occasional sealing can keep it looking pristine. 5. Excellent heat retention. Natural stone can absorb and store heat, making it an excellent choice for homes where the climate is warm. It can help regulate indoor temperatures and keep your space cooler. Disadvantages of natural stone flooring. 1. Cost. One of the main drawbacks of natural stone flooring is its cost. It is generally more expensive upfront compared to other flooring options. However, its durability and longevity can offset this initial investment. 2. Porosity. Natural stone is porous, which means it can absorb liquids and stains. It is essential to seal your stone flooring properly to prevent damage from spills and moisture. 3. Maintenance requirements. While maintenance is relatively simple, it is essential to stay on top of it. Neglecting to clean and seal your natural stone flooring can lead to damage and deterioration over time. 4. Cold underfoot. Unlike its heat-retaining properties, natural stone can feel cold underfoot in cooler climates. This may necessitate the use of rugs or heating systems to make it more comfortable. 5. Installation complexity. Installing natural stone flooring can be more labor-intensive and time-consuming than some other options. It's crucial to hire experienced professionals for a proper installation. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.